Yes, teacher, continue.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, teacher.
Okay. I am also fine. Myself, Asmita Rokde, and today I am going to teach you the topic from mathematics subject. Okay. After starting my topic, I want to show you something. Okay, students. See this picture. What do you see in that picture?
3 flowers.
3 flowers. Okay, very good. There are 3 flowers in this picture. Tell me what is difference between these three flowers?
Tallest, shortest.
Okay, very good, student. Very good. This flower is third flower is tallest than first and second. Okay. Wait. See this picture.
One
What
ice
is in that picture?
One ice cream is tallest.
Yes, very good.
And first, second, one ice cream is shortest.
First ice cream is tallest and second one is shortest. Okay, very good, students. So, today we are going to learn tallest and shortest from our mathematics subject. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. See, students, what is mean by tallest and shortest? Okay. See the first definition, tallest. Okay, repeat after me. Tallest.
Tallest.
The thing. Which is. Which is. Greatest. In height. It's called. Tallest.
Is called tallest.
Okay. Tallest means the thing which is greatest in height is called tallest. What is mean by tallest? The thing which is greatest in height is called tallest. Okay? Understand?
Okay, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now see what is mean by shortest. Okay. Repeat after me this definition. Shortest.
Shortest.
The thing
which
is
smallest
in height called
is called
shortest. Okay. Shortest means the thing which is smallest in height is called shortest. Okay. Understand, students?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. See this? See this picture? What do you see in that picture?
Rabbit is tallest. Giraffe is tallest. Rabbit is shortest.
Okay. Tell me which animal in that picture? Which animal you see in that picture?
Giraffe tallest. Rabbit and deer.
Very good, student. Very good.
The pencil.
See, there is one rabbit, shortest rabbit. There is one shortest rabbit in that picture. And tallest giraffe.
Pencil is shortest. The pencil.
Tallest giraffe and shortest rabbit. And also deer deer also in that picture. We see deer also in that picture. Okay. Very good, students. Okay, now see second picture.
The
What
color,
you see in that picture?
the color is big.
Van.
Shortest. Short.
Tell me,
Shortest.
students.
One and one boy is shortest and one girl is taller.
The
One man is tallest.
Okay, very good, student. We see there is one boy, shortest boy, and tallest man, and taller girl. Okay.
the dog is
Okay, see.
the cat.
One question. Okay, see this question. Cross under the tallest tree. Cross under the tallest tree. Okay.
What?
Tell me, which tree is tallest?
The second number is tallest and first second tree is taller and third tree is shortest.
Okay. Tell me again, which tree is tallest? Tallest means greatest in height. Okay, very good, student. Tallest means greatest in height.
Composite shortest.
Okay. So, first number tree is tallest. Okay.
See, the composite
Cross.
composite shortest.
First
Composite.
tree is tallest. Okay. See this question. Circle the shortest candle.
Red candle is shortest candle. And pink candle is
Very good.
here is pink
Because
candle is taller candle. White color is white color candle is
okay, student. Red colored candle is shortest because its height is less than others.
Shortest. The pencil
Red
is
color candle's height is shortest than others. Wait, students. Okay. So, our answer is first candle, red color candle. Okay. Okay, see this question. Which is tallest ladder in that picture? Which one is tallest ladder?
red ladder is tallest ladder.
Okay, very good, student.
Tallest and yellow ladder is shortest. And
shortest.
blue ladder is shortest.
Okay, tell me, red color ladder, red color ladder. Why this ladder is tallest?
The
Red color is tallest.
Because its height is greatest than other. Okay, this one is later. This one. Okay.
The book is
Question.
the book is the book.
Cross on the shortest fan. Cross
Yes.
on the shortest fan.
Yes.
Which fan is shortest? Students.
Third number is shortest.
Very good. Third fan is shortest than others.
Other pen is
Okay. And this one is tallest.
tallest.
Pencil.
Okay.
The
Now
pencil
see this picture. What do you see in that picture?
tallest.
First,
Which animals are there?
giraffe, elephant, and horse is tallest.
Okay. Now see this question. Who is tallest animal in that picture? Tallest animal. Tell me, Which one is tallest?
Giraffe is the tallest animal in all.
Okay, very good students.
Horse.
So we are making circle here. Okay.
Horse is shortest.
Giraffe is shorter, tallest than
Tallest.
elephant and horse. Okay. Now see this question. What you see in that picture?
One building is tallest.
What?
Second
There are
building
three
is
towers. There are
first
three
tower
towers in
is
that picture.
shortest.
Shortest.
Okay, now see the question, students. Which is tallest tower in that picture? Tell me which is tallest tower?
First number. Tallest.
Third tower is the tallest
First number is
tower.
Okay, very good, student. Third one is tallest than others because its height is greatest.
the pencil is shortest. The pencil
Now
is
see this question, students. Cross under shortest pillar. Cross under shortest pillar. Tell me which one is shortest?
First pillar is shortest pillar.
Very good, students. First one is shortest.
Pillar is tallest. Second pillar is taller.
Okay.
Pillar is shortest.
First one is shortest. Okay. Now see this question, student. Okay. See the first question here. This one.
Thank you.
Okay. See this question.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me which building is tallest?
Middle.
Middle. Very good.
Building is
This one.
tallest. Middle.
Okay. Now see this. What is this?
Spoon.
Spoon. Which spoon is shortest? Which spoons are?
Third number spoon is shortest.
Okay. This one. Okay. Very good, students. Okay. See this picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is this?
Giraffe.
Okay. Okay, sure. Tell me which one is tallest?
Middle.
Okay.
Giraffe is tallest.
Okay, very good, students. What is this?
Guitar. Tallest.
Okay, which guitar is shortest in height? First one. Okay, very good, student. Okay, see this question. What is this?
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Okay. Which ice cream is shortest in height?
Middle ice cream.
Okay, very good, student. Okay, now see this.
Milk.
What is this?
Milk.
Fish pot. Okay. Tell me which is shortest here?
Middle.
Okay.
Is
Very good, student. Very good, children. Okay. Now see this question. Circle the shortest one. Circle the shortest one. See this first question.
Third number. Third number is shortest. Third three. Third number is shortest.
Wait, student. Okay.
Third
First question. Which one is shortest tree?
Third tree is shortest.
Okay, very good, student. Okay. See this. What is this?
Ladder.
Okay. Which ladder is shortest in height?
Middle ladder is shortest.
Very good. This one is. Okay. Now see this. What is this?
Giraffe.
Okay, which is Which one is shortest in height?
Middle giraffe.
No.
Third number giraffe.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now see this question. Okay. Parents, help your child to identify which picture is tallest in each box and circle it. Okay. So see the first box.
Giraffe.
Okay. Tallest giraffe. Which one?
First.
First. Okay.
First giraffe is tallest.
Okay. This
Giraffe.
one. Okay. See, there are 3 trees in that picture. Tell me the tallest tree.
Third tree is tallest.
Okay, very good, students. Now see this. What is this? What do you see in that picture?
3Y.
Okay, there are 3 boys.
Yes.
Okay, third boy is tallest than others. Okay, very good. Okay,
Third,
see, what is this?
School.
third shortest.
Okay,
Middle
tallest.
is
Tell me the
tallest.
tallest building here.
Middle is tallest.
Okay, very good.
Middle is second number.
Okay, now see this.
Is tallest.
What is this?
Middle is tallest.
Ladder. Oh, very good.
Middle
Which one is tallest ladder?
second number ladder is tallest ladder.
Okay, this one is. Okay, very good. Now see
Third
this.
number is
First
What is this?
flag.
Flags. Very good. Which flag is
First.
tallest?
First flag is tallest flag.
Very good, student. Very good, children. Okay. Now see this. Okay. See the first box. What do you
first
see?
one
What
is
is in that
tallest.
box? There are 3 girls. Tell me the shortest girl.
Middle
Shortest girl.
Tallest.
Shortest.
shortest.
Third one is shortest. This one. Okay.
is shortest.
Observe carefully. This one is shortest girl. Okay. Now see the second box. There are 3 giraffes in that box. Which one is shortest?
Third giraffe is shortest. First
No.
number giraffe is shortest giraffe.
Very good. This one is first number giraffe is shortest. Okay. Okay. See third box. There are 3 boys are there. Which one is shortest in height?
Is shortest. Middle boy is shortest boy.
Very good. This one, middle boy is shortest. Okay, very good. Now see the last one. There are 3 flower pots. Shortest pot.
Second one is shortest.
Very good. This one, second number, middle pot is shortest. Very good, students. Okay. Now see. Circle the. Circle the. Students. Okay, see. There are 3 fans. Okay. Which fan is shortest in height?
Third number is shortest.
Okay, see. This
Third
one.
number.
Oh, very good. Now see, there are 3 glasses.
Second number is shortest.
Yes.
Middle number is shortest.
Okay, this one is shortest. Very good.
Third
Okay, now
number
see.
is
There are
shortest.
3 brooms are there.
Third
Which one is
number
short?
is
Shortest.
third number is
Very good.
shortest.
Third number is shortest.
Okay. Okay. See, students, there are again some trees are there. Now see the question first. Circle the tallest one. Tallest. Greatest in height. Tallest. Okay. Now tell me which one is tallest.
Tallest.
Okay. Middle is tallest. Okay. Now see these ladders. Which one is tallest ladder?
Third number is tallest. Number ladder is.
Okay. Very good, students. Okay.
First
Now
number
see these
is
giraffes. There are 3
First
giraffes.
number is giraffe. Tallest.
Which one?
First number is giraffe. Tallest.
Okay, very good. First one. Okay, very good, students. Okay, see. Again this picture. See. So students.
Second number is fence. Tallest.
Okay. So today you have to learn tallest and shortest. Okay, see the definition again. Tallest. Okay, repeat after me. Repeat after me. Tallest.
Tallest.
The thing.
Shortest. The thing which is
Okay.
tallest. The
Repeat after me. Repeat after me.
tallest and shortest.
See, tallest. Repeat after me.
Tallest.
The thing.
The tallest.
The thing.
The thing
Which is greatest
greatest
in height is called tallest.
Tallest.
The thing
The thing
which is
which is
greatest in height
greatest in height
is called
is called
tallest.
tallest.
The thing
The thing
which is
which is
greatest in height
greatest in height
is called tallest.
is called tallest.
Okay, now see the second definition. Shortest. Shortest.
Things
Repeat after me. Shortest.
which shortest
The thing.
shortest
The thing
the thing
which is
which is
smallest in height
smallest in height
is called
called
shortest.
shortest.
Okay. Are you understand, students?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Okay, are you understand this topic?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So today, in this way, today we'll learn tallest and shortest. Okay. Thank you, students.
Welcome, teacher.
Bye,
teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, students.